and welcome to my new channel, Lorving Vibes. I'm Isabel Johnson, and today I'm gonna show you how I put on individual eyelashes. In the last beauty video, I showed you how I put on strip eyelashes. This time, I'm gonna show you how I try on individual eyelashes. They are the best. They can last you 2 weeks if you take good care of them, maybe 3 weeks. It's easy to put on. I know it's scary, but trust me, you can do it yourself. So let me show you how to do it. Let's start with cleaning our eyelashes of any product we might have on and curl them up. Brush them to separate them well. Now separate the stubborn ones with the tweezers. These also help to make sure your eyelashes are clean. Grab your eyelash extension and select the size that you would like to start with. I choose the 13 millimeters for the outside of my eyelid. My suggestion is to take small groups so it looks more natural. Opening your adhesive first will make everything easier. Take your extension a little bit lower than halfway and in a way that you can put it on your eyelash easily. Put just a little bit of glue on the tip of your extension and put on your eyelash. The extensions, just like the strip lashes, goes on your eyelashes, not on your skin. Press the extensions onto your eyelash with the tweezers. Don't do it too fast or they will stick to your tweezers. The first one is always the most difficult. The best way to continue is to go from the outside to inside, from longest to shortest, following the natural line of your eye. I like to start putting a base of eyelashes and then fill up the gaps. Keep your tweezers clean so nothing gets stuck on it. With the help of the tweezers, you can arrange them the correct way. Yeah, sometimes they get stuck on the tweezers. Now start to fill in the gaps. Brush them so you can see where any empty spots might be. It looks ready! Brush them again just to make sure that they look good. Now, let's do the next eye using the same technique.
Ta-da! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.